Since 2016, drone show technologies by SPH Engineering has been at the forefront of the drone light show industry, supporting over 200 customers in 62 countries. Together, we've transformed live events with more than 25,000 LED and pyro drones. The drone show market is growing rapidly, and customer requirements have become more demanding, which means today launching shows with gaps or missing drones is unacceptable. Our new drone show software version 5 introduces Quick Start, a revolutionary feature that allows drone show pilots to place drones randomly on the field without needing precise geometric spacing or even placed across different hills. Smart Path Files allows drone to fly directly to the first shape in the animation. The new version of the software automatically selects drones that are ready for the show. We recommend adding 5 or 10% per drones, and ready-to-fly drones will be automatically selected. The intuitive interface makes it easy for everyone to create spectacular performances. The new version includes a timeline feature, enabling operators to check the time to arming or takeoff, dance itself, and end times. Now you can work with a timecode generator, making the drone show their central component around which all other elements of the event can be synchronized smoothly. We understand that our users have diverse needs, so we offer two options for drone show software. First is a drone show software standard license, ideal for small to medium companies. And the second is drone show software enterprise license, providing an outstanding solution for larger organizations. Drone show software 5 combines efficiency, simplicity, and precision, empowering everyone to create truly spectacular shows. This is the future of drone entertainment.